Imagine a traveler scrolling through endless listings, searching for the perfect stay. What stands out? Not just the photos, but the story behind the host. That's where your journey begins. As a new host, you're more than a landlord. You're the heartbeat of your guest's experience. Start strong with your first listing. Use crisp photos, honest descriptions, and highlight what makes your place unique. Maybe it's your location, super fast Wi-Fi, or a thoughtful welcome basket. Those touches matter. Be transparent with pricing and details. That's how you build trust from the start. Every great stay leads to glowing reviews, your most valuable asset. It's those genuine connections guests remember, turning them into advocates for your home. And with the World Cup 2026 on the horizon, demand will soar in cities like Dallas, Miami, and New York. Adjust your pricing, offer extra touches, and create experiences hotels can't match. Hosting isn't about quick wins, it's about showing up with genuine hospitality every time. From your first listing to your first 5-star review, every step builds your legacy. Start now, and when the world arrives, you'll be ready, not just to host, but to truly shine.